Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your router isn't connecting to the internet after a reset. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Your router isn't connecting to the internet after a reset due to wrong cable connections. Resetting your router involves unplugging and replugging cables. When plugging in, you could end up with a wrong connection. To fix this, check your router's network cable and ensure it's connected according to the manufacturer's specs. Another reason is outdated router firmware. Outdated router firmware can affect your device's functionality, connectivity, and performance. The process varies from one router to another, but in general, visit the router manufacturer's support page and find the router model. Navigate to the firmware section, check and install the latest version. Once done, reboot your router and check if it connects. Finally, there could be a service outage. Your ISP provider may experience outages due to maintenance or other issues. To check, call your internet provider and inquire about outages in your area. If there is one, wait it out. And there you have it. That's why your router isn't connecting to the internet after a reset. Thanks for watching. Till next time.